Hi, I am Sandhya. Welcome to Quest for Maths channel. First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss fraction of work in time and work. Coming to the subject, suppose a 2/3 of work completed in 4 days. Total work completed by A in how many days? A 2/3 of work in 4 days. That means 2/3 of work means in 4 days. How many days complete work done by A? Ante 1. How many days? 2 ones are 2 twos. So 6 days. Like that. Suppose A 4/5 of work completed in 8 days. Work done by A in how many days? 10 days. 4/5 in 8 days. So 4 twos are total work done by A in 10 days. Like that. Question inkola kuda adagachu. Suppose A plus B completed work in 10 days. 1/2 of work completed by A in how many days? ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా అడుగుతారు. ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ని ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే టోటల్ A ప్లస్ B 10. వర్క్ డన్ బై A హౌ మచ్? 1/2. సో 5 days. Next, A plus B work done by 15 days. 1/3 of work done by B in how many days? So total work 15. How much of work? 1/3. So 3 ones 5. So 5 days. Work done by B is equals to 5 days. ఇలా 2 టైప్స్గా అడగచ్చు. కమింగ్ టు ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. A can complete 2/3 of work in 6 days. B can complete 3/5 of work in 6 days. In how many days both together complete the work? First A. A is equals to 2/3 of work in 6 days. So A is equals to 9. B can complete 3/5 of work in 6 days. So total work done by B is equals to 10 days. So how many days both together? So A is equals to 9. B is equals to 10. Both LCM is 90. So 9 10 times. 9 times are 90. So A is equals to 10 times. Total 90 units. B is equals to 10 nines. So total work is equals to 90 units. Both together is 10 plus 9 is 19. So 90/19 days together complete the work. దీన్ని ఇంకోలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. సో A is equals to 9, B is equals to 10, both together. So 1/A plus 1/B is equals to 1. 1/A 9 plus 1/10 is equals to 1. So 90 ఇలా ఎల్సిఎం తీసుకొని ఒకలా చేయొచ్చు. సో 9 times plus 9s is equals to 1. So 90 by 19 days. This is one method, this is another method. You can follow either any method. Coming to the second question. A can do 1/2 of piece of work in 5 days, B can do 3/5 of work in 9 days, and C can do 2/3 of work in 8 days. In how many days all together to do the work? ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? A 1/2 work in 5 days, B 3/5 9 days, C 2/3 8 days. All together in how many days they will complete the work? So first A 1/2 of work in 5 days. So A is equals to 10 days. Next B 3/5 of work in 9 days. 3 3s are, so B is equals to 15 days. Next C is equals to 2/3 of work in 8 days. 2/4. So C can take 12 days to complete the work. All together in how many days they will complete? So A is equals to 10, B is equals to 15, C is equals to 12. So total how many units? LCM is what? 60 units. So A 6, B 4 times, C 5 times. So both A plus B plus C together is equals to 60 by 10 15. So both together they can complete 4 days. This is one method. Already I told you 1/A plus 1/B plus 1/C is equals to 1. Like that we can solve the problem. 1/A means 1/10, 1/15, 1/12 is equals to 1. So finally we get A plus B plus C value 4. This is also another method. Next, third question. P can complete 1/4 of work in 10 days. Q can complete 40% of the same work in 15 days. R completes 1/3 of work in 13 days. And S 1/6 of work in 7 days. Who will be able to complete the work first? Here question different. P, Q, R, S, out of 4, which one will be able to complete the work first? This is the question. So P 1/4 of work 10 days, so P 40 days. Q completes 40% of the work. 40 by 100 percentage means, so 2/5. 2/5 of the work in 15 days. So 75/2. So 37.5 days. Next, R. 1/3 of work complete in 13 days. So R is equals to 39 days. S. Is complete 1/6 of work in 7 days. 1/6 of work in 7 days. So total work is done by 7 6 are 42 days. So here P complete in 40 days, Q complete in 37.5 days. That means 37.5 days. R is completed 39 days. S completed in 42 days. Out of 4, which one completed first? So Q is complete the work first. Q is 37.5. So Q will be completed the work first. Coming to the fourth question. A does 4/5 of a piece of work in 20 days. He then calls in B and they finish the remaining work in 3 days. How long B alone will take to do whole work? Here question is what? A ichadu. What is A? A is 4/5 of work. So A is 25 days. Then he calls B. So A together with B, both will complete the work in 3 days. Here we have to find out how long B alone will take the whole work. So first one, A is 4/5 of work in 20 days. So 4 5s. A is equals to 25 days. Next, then he calls B. So A అనే అతను Bని పిలిచాడు. He complete the remaining work. Remaining work is what? Here A finish the work 4/5. Remaining 1/5. So 1/5 of the work can complete the work 3 days. So A plus B is equals to 15 days. So A is equals to 25. B is equals to, we don't know. A plus B is equals to 15 days. What is LCM? LCM is 75 150. Total 150 units. 25 6 times. 15 10 times. Total A plus B is equals to 10. So A is 6. So B is 4. So B is 4. So how many days will take to complete the work is B is equals to 150/4. So 275/2. So B takes 75/2 days. Next, fifth question. A can complete the work in 6 days while B can complete the same work in 12 days if they work together and complete it. The portion of the work done by A is what? Already I told you in starting. First of all, A is 6 days, B is 12 days. Both together and complete it. So what is LCM? 12. 6 to 6 ones. So 12 by 3. Here A plus B both can complete the work in 4 days. What is the portion of work? So portion of work done by A is what? A one day work is 1 by 6. Total work 4. So 2 by 3 days. Portion of the work done by A is 2 by 3. So portion of work done by B is equal to total work is 4. How many days? 12 days. So 1 by 12. So 1 by 3. This is work done by A is 2 by 3rd of the part and B is 1 by 3rd of the part. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.